everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. My day's pretty great because I've gotten some good mail today, a lot of good boxes. I just finished doing a Boxy Luxe, like unboxing and try on, and now I have my Ipsy Glam bag. So this is my regular glam bag, and this is the last month that the price is $10. If you guys were unaware, Ipsy is going, is implementing some changes in October. The regular glam bag that I will be opening today is going from $10 to $12, and they're also launching the Ipsy Ultimate, which is pretty pricey. It's a $50 monthly box, so I did order it. I'm gonna be getting it next month. I don't think I can afford to get it every single month, but come on, I have no self-control. I have to see what is in that box. I love my Ipsy Plus this month. I can't wait to see what is in here. So since I just did an unboxing and try on for my Boxy Luxe, I won't be trying the products in this glam bag today. I like to do that. I think it's really fun. So we'll just be doing a quick unboxing today. If you guys are interested in Ipsy, it is obviously a beauty subscription. I already told you the pricing. I will link it down below. I'm also going to link down below 2 giveaways I have going on. They're both beauty giveaways. I have a giveaway going on in my Ipsy Plus video and in my Boxy Luxe, so those will both be linked down below. Definitely watch those videos and enter for a chance to win. Both of the giveaways end on the 20th, so depending on when you're watching this, there is definitely some time to enter, and it is always, like all giveaways on my channel, it is open internationally. Anyways, let's get started. So the Ipsy Glam bag always comes in this pink bubble mailer, so I always know when it arrives, bright and pink, so exciting. Oh my god, I love the bag this month. So every month we get a bag. This might be my all-time favorite. I'm really into like astrology and stuff like that lately. And look at all the constellations, and then there's like this gemstone for the zipper, and it's like, feels like pretty good quality. Like sometimes I don't love the bags or they seem kind of cheap, but I'm like, whatever, it's a $10 subscription. But this, I'm totally keeping this. A lot of times I like fill up these bags and send them along like in my giveaways, but this is so cute. I think I'm gonna use this as my travel makeup bag. Like seriously, look at that. It says Ipsy on the back. Did I show you that yet? I love this bag. I don't think I've ever spent that much time talking about the actual bag. So let's get on inside. I unzipped it. There's a little card. It says, September 2019, find your light. September's all about new paths and possibilities, so whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? And then on the inside, it talks about the products. It says, good news, Mercury's not in retrograde this month, and your 5 glam bag products have arrived. Allow us to demystify them for you. I think it said the same thing in the Ipsy Plus handout. So cool, so I'll leave this nearby to reference. It doesn't say pricing or anything on here, but it does give like some descriptions and then tips on the items. And Ipsy is seriously great. I'm not even mad about like the price upgrade. I did like a get ready with me when I chatted about all this. I'll link that down below too if you guys feel like watching me some more, but I talked about it, how I think this box is seriously, or bag, like subscription is totally worth it. Like the $10, like I'm okay. I would gladly pay $12. So yeah, oh my gosh. I didn't even realize I was holding. It's a full size item. I was about to mention like sometimes in Ipsy, you don't just get sample sizes. For $10 or $12, you get from full-size items too. And this is from Ofra. This is their new collaboration with Madison Miller. In the Ipsy Plus, I received like a face palette. I had like a blush and 2 highlight shades. Looks like this is a blush. I wonder if it matches the one I already have. Hopefully it's different. I can't get this open. And Ofra products are not cheap. This is 100% full size. I don't think the blush I have has a name. Let me grab it and we can compare. So here is the palette that has the blush in the middle. And then here's this. I wonder if they're the same. I'm like, because I don't want to like swatch it if they're the exact same. If anyone knows, can you let me know? This is the shade Sweet Stuff, Ofra Madison Miller blush in Sweet Stuff. And then this is just like their face palette. It doesn't have any names on it. I'm not sure if we got that information when we unboxed it. So if you guys know, please let me know, because if it's the same, I'm not gonna swatch this right now because I will put it in a giveaway, because this is awesome. I'm wearing the blush right now actually. Here, let me do a little swatch for you. Yeah, looked at my hand. I did clean it up. I still have like one swatch on there. So there it is. I think it's so pretty. You can build it up too. Have it on my face. Love it. Love Ofra. So yeah, if anyone knows that information, if this is the same or if it's different, because they look really similar, I might be throwing this in a giveaway. I'm all about the giveaways lately. We're super close to 7,000 subscribers too, like less than 70 away, I think. So you know what's coming. There'll be a big giveaway soon, hopefully. So if you're not yet subscribed, definitely do so if you like giveaways and subscription boxes and makeup. So it says, this limited edition collab between beauty guru Ofra Guido and beauty lifestyle blogger Madison Miller gives us a highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This dusty pink nude blush can be worn dry or wet to intensify or as an eyeshadow. I've never used a wet blush before. Like highlight, sure. Shimmer shades in my eyes, yes. Have you guys tried that? I'm really intrigued now. I have to try that out. It says tip, swirl a fluffy blush brush into sweet stuff blush and tap out any excess. Smile big. See the apples of your cheeks, dust blush on them and blend. That's a good tip. I try and do that. So awesome. Full size Ofra product. Next up, what is this? This looks full size too, possibly, depending on what it is. Wonder Hurahuru Wonder Honey Green Aqua Balm Cream. Okay, maybe not, but this is a pretty decent size. I like the color. There's 15 grams or 0.5 ounces. So it says, meaning every day in Korean, this lifestyle-inspired brand uses superfood ingredients and natural fermentation technology to formulate their uniquely designed products. This moisturizer uses green tea, honey, and hyaluronic acid to plump and repair. Tip, apply a pea-sized amount of moisturizer onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Then use your fingers to massage it evenly all over your skin. So the tip is how to apply moisturizer. We all know how to do that, right? So this sounds good. Nice. I'm definitely not in need of any moisturizers right now, so this will probably go in a giveaway, but it sounds really good. I just recently got stocked up on my favorite moisturizer thanks to BoxyLuxe, my Sunday Riley Tidal Cream. Love that stuff. But this sounds really good, but this may go into my giveaway pile. I have a whole drawer actually where I like have stuff so I can add to giveaways and all that. Oh, my next product is actually going to be going in a future giveaway too. You know, Ipsy used to be pretty much only cruelty-free items, but now there's like one or two non-cruelty free, but that's okay as long as the majority is something I could use. Like I ended up canceling my Sephora play because I couldn't use a lot of the items. I would maybe be able to keep like one. So yeah, I had to say goodbye to that, but Ipsy, I don't think I could ever say goodbye to Ipsy. So this is the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel in Warm Golden Blonde 2. So I guess this can't work for everyone because it's in my blonde shade. So do you have any blonde subscribers / friends out there? Let me know if you want this. Ooh, I'm excited. I love getting bronzers. I just got other bronzers today too. Oh, today's just a fun makeup day. Lovecraft Beauty bronzer. I have the Lovecraft Beauty blush palette that we received in the Ipsy Plus in the past. I need to pull that out again. That was so good. So the shade name is Cymbeline. Is that how you say that? So here's what the packaging looks like. Oh wow, there's even a little mirror in there. Ooh, this feels nice. Ooh, I'm excited to try this out. Hopefully it's not like too warm for my skin, but I think it'll work. Awesome. So let's read a little bit more about this. I didn't read about the brow gel, but I think whatever. Formulated by makeup artist Francelle Daly, who inspired the mysticism of New Orleans, Lovecraft Beauty turns getting ready into pure magic. This silky matte finish bronzer goes on smooth and streak-free to give you a totally natural golden glow. Tip, for a sun-kissed glow, swirl a fluffy brush into the bronzer and sweep where the sun naturally hits your face, like your temples, down the bridge of your nose, and on your cheekbones. Awesome, I'm excited to try this out, and it's a good size. Let me show you again, like seriously, I love getting stuff like this because I don't need anything bigger. Okay, well, I can't open it now. Do you know how long that would take to pan? This will last forever, so awesome. So excited. Now we have one more item, and I'm really excited about this. I absolutely love getting foundations in my subscription boxes. It doesn't happen often. It has to happen in a box that has a beauty profile. So clearly Ipsy does. In Ipsy Plus last month, I received a foundation that I have fallen in love with, the It Cosmetics. I guess it's like a tinted moisturizer, but today I got the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation in the shade 1.05. So they do a pretty good job following the profile, I think. Some of you guys have left comments in the last video because I talked about the profile in my Ipsy Plus video, saying that they haven't been following your profile very well, which stinks, but personally, I think they do a great job. So let's do a little swatch of this. So this is pretty small, but it's definitely going to be multiple uses so I can get a feel of it, and then I could try it out before I actually purchase a foundation, because foundations can be a little pricey, and I love trying new foundations. Ooh, this looks like it will be a good shade match, I think. Can you guys even see that? Because I kind of rubbed it in. And I love that it says it's hydrating. That sounds amazing. So let's see. It says this oil-free matte finish medium to full coverage foundation is formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to even out your skin without setting into pores or fine lines. The best part, it lasts a full 24 hours, no touch-ups required. I mean, I hope I don't keep it on 24 hours. It better not be up that long, and I better wash my face before bed. But this sounds great. Okay, a matte finish medium to full coverage, but it's hydrating, so hopefully it won't look like too matte on the skin. I love hyaluronic acid. That definitely helps moisturize your skin and make it so it look really healthy. So this sounds very promising. The shade match seems spot on. Look how messy my hands look right now. So yeah, this is gonna be great. So it says tip, place a dot on your forehead, chin, nose, and each cheek. Blend well using a brush, sponge, or your fingertips. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I'll probably use this in an upcoming Get Ready With Me video, because I don't think I have any other new foundations to try. So this is going right into my like shop my stash pile, and I will try this because I'm going to try and do a Get Ready With Me like at least like every other week. So if you guys are curious about this and how it wears and all that, stay tuned. But I think this was a great month. Okay, so we got a full size Over Blush. Again, I'm not sure if it's something I already have or not. So I have to look into that more. One of you guys can let me know, but that's still great to have. Like full size, like this has got to be like over $30, right? At least that's how their highlights are. I think their highlights are like 39 or 37 or something like that. So this is cool. We got a bronzer. Super excited to try that out. I'm really into bronzers lately. The foundation, I'm thrilled to get foundations in subscription boxes. I hope that continues. Like, yes, so exciting. I love complexion products. We got a moisturizer, which isn't like too exciting for me because I'm stocked up on my favorite moisturizer and then some. I have others, but it does sound really good. And then we have the one thing that is not cruelty-free, this Benefit Gimme Brow. Again, this is in warm golden blonde. So I probably won't put this in a giveaway because not everyone is blonde. I mean, most people probably have darker hair than me. So if there is someone out there that wants this, let me know. But yeah, I think this was a great month. And the bag is my favorite ever. I love Ipsy. I am so excited to see what's coming in the Ipsy Ultimate. So next month in October, I'm gonna have 3 different Ipsy videos. I'm gonna have the regular Ipsy Glam bag, the Ipsy Plus, and then the new Ipsy Ultimate. I don't know, I'm so excited. Did you guys subscribe to it? But anyways, again, I will leave the link down to Ipsy in the description box along with any of the giveaways or all of the giveaways going on right now. And I'll also leave down below, like I always do, my social media handles. So if you want to keep in touch in between videos, you can pretty much always find me on like Instagram stories or Snapchat. So definitely let's be friends there. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!